Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Domino's pizza is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
At Domino's Pizza, every ingredient starts with strict quality control before production begins. Domino's Pizza carefully sorts and prepares each ingredient for perfect consistency. Every ingredient at Domino's Pizza is measured with extreme precision for perfect taste. Inside Domino's Pizza Factory, ingredients move through a highly advanced preparation system. Domino's Pizza keeps all ingredients fresh and stored in perfect conditions before processing. At Domino's Pizza, dough is freshly mixed in high-capacity machines for perfect texture and consistency. Domino's Pizza engineers carefully monitor every batch to ensure perfect quality control. Domino's Pizza uses advanced systems to move dough smoothly into the next production stage. At Domino's Pizza, dough is rested to develop the perfect softness and flavor.
Every batch at Domino's Pizza is tested for texture before moving forward.
At Domino's Pizza, each dough ball is shaped into a perfect pizza base with precision machines. Domino's Pizza applies fresh sauce evenly to ensure perfect flavor in every bite. Domino's Pizza carefully layers cheese and toppings for balanced taste and quality. Every Domino's Pizza is checked to maintain strict quality standards before baking. Domino's Pizza sends each pizza into ovens at the perfect moment for baking. At Domino's Pizza, every pizza is baked at carefully controlled temperatures for perfect results. Fresh from the oven, Domino's Pizza develops its signature melted cheese and crispy crust.
Domino's Pizza uses precision cutting systems for perfectly even slices every time.
Each Domino's pizza is quickly boxed to keep it fresh, hot, and ready for delivery.
Inside Domino's Pizza Factory, advanced automation keeps production moving at incredible speed. Every Domino's pizza is carefully inspected before leaving the production facility. Domino's Pizza checks temperature and freshness to guarantee the best customer experience. After inspection, Domino's pizza products are prepared for fast and efficient delivery. Domino's pizza delivery teams work quickly to bring fresh pizzas directly to customers.
And that's how Domino's Pizza is made, from start to finish. Thanks for joining this inside look at the Domino's Pizza production process.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.